A dark chapter unfolded on December 11th of 1993. The perfectly gracious standing Highland Towers complex, which was home to many families, fell and collapsed. Under the guidance of a heavy rain, the tragedy struck and the 12-story structure went through a landslide and collapsed. This unfortunate chapter claimed the lives of 48 individuals. Although nature played a part, further investigation showed that it was a cause of human error. The inadequate planning and the construction shortcut played a crucial role in this disaster. This incident will forever stand as a reminder of the importance of prioritizing safety regulations and responsible development practices for all engineers to prevent such incident from happening again.
One of the many environmental issues is that the drainage systems and the retaining structures might not have been as enduring and well built to reduce the dangers linked to the steep landscape and the extreme weather, which made the area more vulnerable. Constructed on a steep slope, the area was more prone to landslides. Unsuitable land use planning and the lack of examination of geological risks contributed to the vulnerability of the site.
During the construction of the towers, the safety of the residents was not prioritized by the engineers. The Highland Tower tragedy was mainly caused by the poor quality of the pipe near the towers, which was not durable enough to handle excess water and minerals during the monsoon season. As a result, the soil absorbed the water, weakening the foundation of Block 1. This failure to prioritize resident safety by the engineers led to an endangerment of the public safety. An unqualified architect hired to design tower poses a direct threat to the safety of the resident. The architect's design of the roll-resistant retaining walls near the towers intend to prevent landslide play a significant role in the collapse of the towers. The tragic outcome could have been avoided with a more qualified architect.
The code of conduct set by the Board of Engineers Malaysia got infringed upon when the author of some of the designs was not qualified to do so, as they fell outside of his recognized expertise. Plans were carried out before there was a proper analysis of their adequacy by the head of the project, as some parts were not of his own design. The leader engineer was aware of a possible fault in the construction and how the developers intentionally overlooked it. He broke the code when he did not report this to the responsible authorities.
Several solutions regarding the issue must be addressed to prevent similar tragedy happens again. First, the local authorities are necessary to enforce and regularly update building codes and regulations to ensure the safety of any construction projects. Every engineer and architect involved in the construction project is required to be trained well by understanding every rights and regulations to avoid any violations. In the other hand, the engineer or the homeowner association should conduct regular inspection of the buildings to identify potential hazards and structural weakness. The failure to report a potential fault poses risks to the safety of occupants and the integrity of the structure. It violated the regulations of code of conduct which protects the public safety. Lastly, the developers of the project management of the building project should always be aware of hiring qualified professionals to ensure they possess the necessary education, training and expertise in their respective fields. In conclusions, the Highland Tower tragedy highlights the importance of strict construction standards, regular inspections, and proactive maintenance in preventing disaster and ensure the safety of residential structures, emphasizing the need for increased awareness and responsibility among authorities and the public.